What if you could improve your English even while you sleep? It sounds like magic, but it's science. Your brain continues to process sounds and patterns even when you are resting. This video is designed for deep fluency. First, practice these sentences actively with me. Listen and repeat. Then, play the video again while you sleep. Your subconscious mind will absorb the rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence patterns. Today, you will learn 99 powerful sentences for daily life, work, travel, and emotions. We will practice in 3 levels. Level 1. Simple sentences for basic needs and greetings. Level 2. Natural sentences for conversations and feelings. Level 3. Deeper sentences for storytelling and reflection. Do not skip any part. The more you listen, the more your brain learns. Stay with me until the end. Then play this video every night as you fall asleep. Let's begin your deep fluency journey. Part 1. Level 1. Beginner. Simple sentences for everyday needs. These are short, essential sentences for everyday situations. Greetings and politeness. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Basic needs and feelings. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am tired. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am cold. I am cold. I am hot. I am hot. I need help. I need help. Simple actions. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I go to work. I go to work. I come home. I come home. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Simple questions. What is your name? What is your name? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? What time is it? What time is it? How much is this? How much is this? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Where are you from? Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? Level 1 complete. Part 2, Level 2, Intermediate, Natural Sentences for Conversations. These are longer, more natural sentences for daily conversations. Talking about your day. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. I had a busy day at work. I had a busy day at work. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to the weekend. I need to finish this task by tomorrow. I need to finish this task by tomorrow. Let me tell you what happened today. Let me tell you what happened today. I am so glad the day is over. I am so glad the day is over. Tomorrow will be even better. Tomorrow will be even better. Making plans. What are you doing later? What are you doing later? Do you want to grab coffee? Do you want to grab coffee? Let's meet at 6 p.m. Let's meet at 6 p.m. Where should we go? Where should we go? I will pick you up. I will pick you up. Can we reschedule? Can we reschedule? I am free on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. That works for me. That works for me. Expressing feelings. I feel really happy today. I feel really happy today. I am a bit stressed right now. I am a bit stressed right now. That makes me angry. That makes me angry. I am excited about my trip. I am excited about my trip. I feel lonely sometimes. I feel lonely sometimes. Talking to you makes me feel better. Talking to you makes me feel better. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am grateful for your help. I am grateful for your help. At work or school. I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work today. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? What is the deadline? What is the deadline?
I need to send an email. I need to send an email. Let's have a quick meeting. Let's have a quick meeting. I agree with your idea. I agree with your idea. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback.
Level 2 complete. Part 3. Level 3 advanced. Deeper sentences for reflection and storytelling. These are longer, more meaningful sentences for deep fluency. Sharing your opinion. In my opinion, learning English opens many doors. In my opinion, learning English opens many doors. I believe that practice is more important than talent. I believe that practice is more important than talent. To be honest, I used to be afraid of speaking. To be honest, I used to be afraid of speaking. Now I know that every mistake helps me improve. Now I know that every mistake helps me improve. I think everyone should try to learn a new language. I think everyone should try to learn a new language. From my perspective, consistency is the real secret. From my perspective, consistency is the real secret. That is just how I see it. That is just how I see it. Telling a short story. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. I was walking home when I saw something amazing. I was walking home when I saw something amazing. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. I stopped and took a picture with my phone. I stopped and took a picture with my phone. It reminded me that there is beauty everywhere. It reminded me that there is beauty everywhere. I showed the picture to my friend later. I showed the picture to my friend later. That small moment made my whole day better. Talking about the future. I have big dreams for the next 5 years. I have big dreams for the next 5 years. I want to travel to at least 10 different countries. I want to travel to at least 10 different countries. I hope to become fluent in English and maybe another language. I hope to become fluent in English and maybe another language. I am planning to start my own business someday. I am planning to start my own business someday. I want to be healthy, happy, and helpful to others.
I want to be healthy, happy, and helpful to others. I believe that anything is possible with hard work. I believe that anything is possible with hard work. I am excited about what tomorrow will bring. I am excited about what tomorrow will bring. I will not give up on my dreams. I will not give up on my dreams.
Encouraging yourself. You are doing an amazing job. You are doing an amazing job. Keep going, even on difficult days. Keep going, even on difficult days. Every day you speak, you improve. Every day you speak, you improve. Do not compare yourself to others. Do not compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress. Focus on your own progress. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. You are stronger than you think. You are stronger than you think. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Level 3 complete. Total 99 sentences. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You have completed 99 sentences for deep fluency. You practiced greetings, basic needs, daily conversations, feelings, opinions, storytelling, future plans, and self-encouragement. Now, here is your mission. Play this video every night as you fall asleep. Your brain will continue to learn while you rest. In the morning, practice the sentences again actively. This combination of active shadowing and passive sleep learning will boost your fluency faster than anything else. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more deep learning content. Share it with a friend who wants to learn English while they sleep. Write in the comments, what sentence will you remember from this video? I read every comment. Keep learning, keep sleeping, and keep becoming fluent. See you in the next video.